Gwe county ya Nyamira Okongo Mogeni ni gobono esokire na ukwanira higoro ya magenderane mono amacha se county ya Nyamira abwasi arekanire kumoraga na komomochia umugabana gwe county yo Amos Kimomyaribo na koteba no nyamaiga yo kuriera eira bananchi be county yo nga mbenyorera mache wikira bono iganigo abananchi gosikinyumba ase county ya Nyamira staranyorera amache asebono aganirie nganere buya umugabana bwe county ya Amos Kimomyaribo kunyarwa kabweso kya subwango mono na kweniki ngachire cya kubaliera abananchi anena mono asensemeria mache yaikiranire asate birunanigo amache aretiro bokongu ase county yo ya Nyamira nabo igabananchi niko bagendrete gwetera amakongu au kubatikana amono kowero kwa mache.
Mr. Speaker, I don't know what happens in other counties, but I've tried to follow. For example, budgetary allocations for water projects in my county of Nyamira. Mr. Speaker, every project I've visited, the only thing that the governor does is to drill a borehole. Once he has drilled the borehole, and he sets, for those ones who are lucky, he sets a kiosk, water kiosk, in that particular borehole. That is the end. If you were to talk about value for money, Mr. Speaker, once you drill a borehole, you should connect water to homes. Civilization demands, Mr. Speaker, that we supply water to our women. When I go to Nyamira, Mr. Speaker, I don't want to see my women going to collect water from a borehole that is 1.2 kilometers from their houses, Mr. Speaker. I want to see my women in Nyamira donning a hairstyle like Senator Joyce. I don't want to see them carrying water buckets on their heads, or like Senator Wakabubi here. We want our women to also make nice hairstyles, and they draw water piped water from their homes, Mr. Speaker. That's when I'll truly say that devolution has reached our counties, Mr. Speaker. People who reside in the cities, they don't go looking for water from boreholes, wherever that is. They draw water from pipes in their homes. And that's my dream as a senator of Nyamira, that when we work so hard to send money to our counties, women should draw water, piped water from their homes. That's the only time, Mr. Speaker, we will say that truly now we are seeing fruits of devolution. Mr. Speaker, if you go through audit reports, year in, year out, you will see the auditor making disclosures that some counties are making expenditure that is unsupported.
Morigereria hokisi